Hey everyone, in this session we're going to look through probably one of the most important features of Aucerna Execute, which is the audit history and rollback. This feature exists at every entity level in the software. So we're looking at an AFE record here on this screen. I can go view the audit history or all of the changes that have been made to this document over time. But it exists across every single entity type. So another example is when users are created in the system and maybe they've got different roles being assigned and changed over time. That same change tracking and history exists across all the entity types. So heading back into my AFE here, we can see a number of different data fields. We see the different versions, 1, 2, 3, 4, stacked on top of one another. And then we can see what the previous value was and what the new value as a result of that change. And in some cases, there's many changes, as we can see in that first iteration there. So this becomes useful when you're wanting to see who changed what and what was it changed from and changed to. If we go into a document and we simply make a change, so maybe we need an ops notice and my cost center was entered, simply making that change. I'm logged in as myself there in the software. I can then go back and I can see that the ops notice was changed from no to yes and the cost center updated in that particular version. Now, if that was a mistake, maybe I updated the wrong AFE by accident, I can simply go back to the previous version, view the version, lets me know with a big red warning that I'm looking at a historic version, and you'll notice that it's set to no and I don't have any cost center populated. So this becomes a very powerful undo button or rollback feature. So I could say, well, I really meant to update a different AFE. So I want to roll back to this prior version. I can go put my comments in. And what it does is it rolls back to that prior version. So now that's going to be the top of the stack. And I can see that it still has maintained that I made a prior change. So I went from this to this, and then I rolled back to version 4, and it's kept that audit history for your auditors to be happy with every change made in the system.